YouTube has sent a cease and desist order to Rythm and Groovy, a Discord bot that allows to play music from the site. So what do we do now? What should we use? Yo guys, my name is Madson. Today I want to introduce a new bot to replace bots Groovy and Rythm. The name of this bot is Pancake. Let's invite him to the server. Well, open the Pancake site. I put the link in the description, pancake.gg, and click on invite bot. Okay, now select your server and click on continue. Okay, now click on authorize. Well, you can bring Pancake's bot to your server. Now you can see I have a Pancake bot here. Okay, now open your bot channel and type this. !help. PancakeBot has so many categories, for example, currency, fun, images, info, settings, and music. We want to replace music to Groovy or Rythm. Now we want to play music with Pancake. Okay, just type !play. For example, NDA. Nice, it works. Also, you can give Spotify or YouTube links to bot. Thanks for watching this video. I hope they don't stop this bot. Until the next video, bye. Yeah. Don't forget to click on subscribe and put your hand on like. Ring the bell. Tell me if you have any problem. I solve your problem right now.